Good morning, welcome back to the channel. And today 6 on our Norwegian Fjord cruise. If you didn't see yesterday's video, we left from at 5 o'clock yesterday. We've been sailing overnight and we're on our way to Kristiansand, but we don't arrive there till 2 o'clock this afternoon. So once we get there, we'll show you around Kristiansand. Not a long time there actually. And we set sail at 8 o'clock tonight to arrive back in Southampton at 7 o'clock on Friday morning. So tomorrow's a full day of sailing. So there'll probably be no video from there. So we'll just leave you with what we can see, and we'll see when we get to Kristiansand. So all I can see, and as far as I can see, is the sea. We've certainly been blessed with the weather on this trip though, and also nice calm seas. So we'll see when we get to Kristiansand. Yeah, it's certainly warming up, isn't it? Yeah. Go and do his morning walk round deck. Join everybody else. Yeah, when you get into shade, it cools down a bit, doesn't it? At least it's not as windy as the other day when we did it.
No.
So there's Norway in distance. So we've got 2 hours 40 minutes before we dock. Yeah, it's a good sun trap on this back end though, isn't it?
Away from where you
Yeah. It's a lot warmer this side. It's one day I played all sunbeds out this side, isn't it? It's on the sun side. A few more at pool now. Indoor pool area. Jacuzzis everywhere. So that's the tropical bar. Made the most of the peace and quiet. It's a bit busy up top. So might as well make most of this balcony. Sun's not quite on it, but it's not too bad, is it? Yeah? So in trouble with ship, it turns away from sun at times, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's very inconvenient.
Yeah, how rude. So we'll sit and watch the sea go by. Done us a few laps round deck, haven't we? So 2 hours to port.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're definitely turning, changing direction totally now, aren't we?
Oh,
Yeah, I can see land off our side.
what's that like? Isn't it
Yeah.
now? Come on.
Nah. Yeah, we're definitely turning in. You can see land in front of us now. Yeah, you can see it turning. Yeah, so the sun was on our side, now it's behind. We've got the pilot turning up. Take us into port. He's ready to step off. Yeah. That's it. Pilot's on board. That definitely means we're close to going to port now. If you get binoculars out, see that's a lighthouse or just a house on an island. So we can see where we're going. Yeah, so it is a lighthouse. Just look through binoculars. Certainly got close to land now. Well, we've got another sunny day anyway, so we're blessed with this weather. Right, we'll be docking soon. Yeah, a lot of building work going off over there. Jet skiers are out. Not bad little dockside apartments those, are they? It's like they're building up way up there. I'm surmising that's where we're docking. Seems to be edging his way that way. There's a few bodies on that dockside. Yeah, we're definitely docking there. You can see them all getting ready. Looks like it's too far a walk to the old town over there. It's amazing how they can just so smoothly put these massive cruise ships into a dock for mooring up and that. Yeah, it's amazing the control. Look at how slowly that's going in. I suppose by that time they've moored us up and that. Been here enough 2 o'clock before we can get off. It's 1:15 now. So better go and get ready. We'll get off the boat. There's a big massive queue to get off, I guess. Certainly a lot of people involved in mooring a big cruise ship up anyway. Main electrical connections going in down there. Steps are going out. Boats at back with ropes. I'll say it, buses are turning up now. Sightseeing buses. I think I might as well have one here, haven't I? I've only got a short time anyway, haven't I? So guess everything springs into action when a cruise ship turns up, doesn't it? So we've got the round fortress there. I'll have a nosy in that. Probably not. Might as well while we're here, don't we? Yeah, it's all got its separate little harbours, hasn't it? Marinas, I should say. They're not harbours, are they? They're marinas. Go and have a look in the little round fort. Nice pleasant area to walk in it. Yeah, they just run parallel, I think, streets, they just go, yeah, just go up and down. Yeah, they must run north, south, east, west.
Yeah.
That's it. Nice wide streets as well, aren't they? Yeah, we're definitely to older part of town here, aren't we now? All timbered buildings. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, we'll work his way up and down. Yeah. Yes, we're definitely all timbered buildings, aren't they, in this part? Yeah. Yes, like I say, it's very traditional, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, you're certainly on to bigger streets, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yes, it's certainly busier road, this one, than the ones we just walked round. So this is the centre of the centre of the cathedral.
Like Bruges.
Bruges, yeah. Yeah. Lovely buildings though, isn't there? Yeah. We'll have a look in the cathedral. We didn't realise there was a concert going up in there, did we? They went in. Yeah. Well, like you say, we're blessed with weather again, aren't we? I know. Yeah.
Water.
So it's 28 degrees. Just need this to stay at home tomorrow, don't we? When we're a full day at sea. You've been browsing?
Yeah. It's another cruise ship coming.
No, it isn't. It's ferry.
Oh, is it the ferry?
Yeah.
But I didn't-
Car ferry. Well, tram.
It's like Mercy and Marines.
It is a beautiful area. Ice cream selling well. Lovely little area this. Oh, it's a very nice little place, I must admit. Wonder if that's like a theatre or a...
Yeah, I was just going to say
Yeah.
that. I think it is.
It's got, so you can just see some posters at window, can't you?
Yeah.
Get some fresh fish from that fish market. The last picture at cruise ship docked up. Time to board the ship for the last time.
Yeah.
I know. Our floating hotel. It looks like last excursion buses are just coming back. There's a few people walking back. Ramps are going up. All the electrics have been disconnected. Last few yacht club members coming aboard. So that's day 6 of our cruise over and done with. Hope you liked his little look around Kristiansand. Nice little place, must admit. This will probably be the last vlog from this cruise because we set sail tonight and most of it's just at sea until we get to Southampton on Friday morning at 7 o'clock. So unless anything happens, this will be the last one for the cruise we've been on. So if you've enjoyed it, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you've not seen any of the other videos, there'll be a playlist for the Fjord cruise. So please check out the other videos in that playlist. And it's not long, once we get back off this, we'll be off again in a fortnight, and that will all become clear in the next few videos. So we'll see you in the next video. Not sure whether it's going to be for a caravan or the other place we're going. But I'll give you one clue, it's on a plane. So we'll see you then. Bye for now.